Sanibonani wengane wethu, ake ngibingelele ngiphinde nginamukele. Ungabe uqala ke ungena kule channel ngicela usubscribe. iKaizer Chiefs ke isilungisile ke iphutha eyalenza ngoNtseki. Isegcina isithathile iKaizer Chiefs ke isinqumo ebesibhekwe ngabomvu ke sokuxoshwa uMolefi Ntseki ke obengumqeqeshi waleli qembu. uNtseki ke uqashwe lapha ngaphambi ke kokuqala kwale sizini ethatha izintambo Zwane. Uqashwa ke kwakhe lapha kuvele ke akwemukelekanga lapha kubalandeli ke njengoba babebheke ukuthi ke kulande umqeqeshi ke onomlando. Abanye ke babalandeli babekusho ke kucala umlomo ukuthi le qembu lenzeke iphutha lapha ke ngokuqasha uNtseki ongenawo ke amava ke ukucicha ke iqembu lePSL. Ngesikhathi ke iqashwa ke lapha kwakade kuvela ukuthi Chiefs ke ixoxisana ke noNazdani ke Napi waseTunisia obeqeqesha ke iYoung Africans ke yaseTanzania ke ngaleso sikhathi ubenempumelelo ke enhle kwiYoung esilapha nenqobe isixoxo ezimbili ke amasizini elandelana nokuyinto ke yamenza ke wahalelo ke amaqembu amaningi. Kodwa ke kwagcina ke kungamlungelanga lapha ke kwiChiefs yabe sekhuphula ke uNtseki obevele ke ekhona eqenjini ephethe ithimba labaqeqeshi. Izinto kazange ke sizimvune ke kwala ke ngisho iqembu selilande ke abadlali ababukeka bebahle wehluleka ke lapha ke ukubahlanganisa. Ulandela ke umhlangano ke wangumsombuluko ekseni isikhathi ke sikaMolefi Ntseki ke njengomqeqeshi uKaizer Chiefs ke siphelile emuva ke kokuvumelana ke kwezinhlangothi izombili. Ibhale kanje ke iChiefs esikhundleni ke zokuxhumana ukubheka ke impumela ke yamuva ke ephucayo izinhlangothi zombili sinquma ke ukuthi ke ukwehlukane lapha iyona ke into engcono ke kulesikhathi. Chiefs ke ibeseveza ukuthi ke uKevin Johnson ke osanda kufika ke kuleli qembu ezophatha ke lapha ke izinkulisa uyena ke uzobamba ke njengomqeqeshi ke weqembu elikhulu. Kuvele wacaca ke efika nje uJohnson ukuthi ke izinsuku zikaNtseki ke sezinciphile. Uthe uma ke ebuza uNtseki ke ngokufika kaJohnson ke mavikini ambala edlule wacasha ke lapha ke ngesithupha. Abalandeli ke bebhola ke noma ke beKaizer Chiefs baphawulile ke ngaloludaba ke lokuxoshwa kukaMolefi Ntseki ovelizele ke la wengane wethu.
Good evening, Andy and the Metro listeners. I just want to wish uMolefi Ntseki all the best, even though ngasibona ukuthi akahambanga kahle Saturday ubona ukuthi kwenzakaleni estadium and nathi nje sibhlungu as fans, like the way siphuma ngakhona, like I thought after in 10-8 maybe sizokhalela kule Carling Cup, but saphuma nje like siqala sisuka nje bekubhlungu kakhulu lona la. And yeah, just no Kevin Johnson ngithi like all the best nje mangena nje ngoba i-first game I think it's on the 29th, so it's all the best kule game 3 points of football uzothola. And yeah, thank you Goni.
Thank you so much,
Good evening, and the team. It's Susi here.
Hey.
Shame I feel for Ntseki, but even if Chiefs can bring Guardiola or Mourinho, problem is not the coach there.
What is it?
Those boys need to step up, because even those thugs who break the stadium, throw stones every day, they never blame players, they always blame the coaches. Good luck, okay?
Thabiso from Blue. The signs were there. We all knew it's gonna come down to this. But I think Chiefs took a long time to do it, and the appointment of Ntseki was wrong from the beginning. We would have been in this situation if they did hire the right coach from the beginning. So it was high time, good riddance. And I'm grateful that they fired also that Zwane was returned to his goal at the development. They should have done that the time they appointed Ntseki. Remove Zwane there from the first team. Thabiso from Blue.
Good evening, Andile. Look, I think Molefi Ntseki had enough of the fans too. I mean, being disrespected like that every match, fearing for your life. I think, hence the statement by mutual consent. So yeah, I don't know about Kevin Johnson. Will he survive there? I don't think so. I don't know. Let's hope that he'll survive, because they have not given him anything to survive with anyway. Did he pick Dylan Shepard to be his assistant? I don't know.
That's a good question.
Hear from him.
Yeah, well,
Kevin Johnson.
Yeah, did he pick Dylan Shepard himself?
No chance. No chance.
Yeah?
No chance.
But this is it.
Dylan
is your assistant.
Dylan is your guy.
You don't think they sat with him and said, hey, there's Arthur and Dylan, which one would you prefer?
No chance.
Bongani is out in Vlakfontein. Bongani. Oh, terribly sorry, Bongani. I know you had important points there. Olisa is here in Johannesburg.